Tracy. So welcome back. Now it's April and we are ready to start our April Mini Kit Monday group. This is the inspiration that Kathy put on the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group, that this is what we should, you don't have to. I'm telling you, you can do whatever you want. But it is kind of nice to have a little bit of a challenge, So every month, one of us provides something, whether it's a game or like I did a bingo card, and Shannon had the pot of gold, and anyway, like Daisy had the spelling out Valentine. Well, this is Kathy's, so she chose this beautiful, bright, colorful photo she got from Pinterest, I'm sure. And we're trying to determine where this was, and I think it's like in Amsterdam, but I'm not for sure. If anyone knows where this is taken, that would be good information. It's so beautiful. Becky thought it might be Venice, but I don't think Venice. Their buildings don't look like that. So, yeah, they're not brightly colored. Anyway, moving on. Let me turn off my overhead. Okay, that way you don't have the shadow there. So I saw this photo, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have these owls that they're little bitty puffy stickers. I want that to be my jumping off point. Once I, found this, well, oh my gosh, I went to go look for them, and as I was digging through everything, I was holding some things in my hand, and they were like the big buckets of stuff that I have, and it all ended up on the floor. Oh my gosh, I was so upset. And it was like right before I was getting ready to go to work, and I thought, there is no way. I'll have to wait until I got home. And I knew that the cats would have a heyday with it, and I thought, fine, whatever. Well, I ended up separating all of that by color instead of by item, because I keep all my flowers together, and those are still together. I had butterflies and birds together. I had the flare all together. So I decided to take that all apart and to put everything by color, and now they're in bins by color. I know you guys needed to know that, right? That's probably too much information. Well, I couldn't find, after all of that, I couldn't find the owls. Oh my, so that was Thursday, and I couldn't find them Thursday, couldn't find them Friday, and so today is Saturday, and I found them today. Here, I'll take them out of the plastic. Let me see how old they are. If I can find the date. I don't know if there is a date. I don't see a date. You know what? And I think I got these at the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see them. Can you see them? Look how cute they are. They are so, so cute. This is pink. This is not orange. There is orange. This one's orange. Yep, they're pink. They're a hot pink. Whatever. Anyway, so this is see how they go together. I thought, so this is what I use to put everything else, put the whole kit together with. All right, so let me show you what I pulled. I only have two 12 by 12 pieces of paper. I have this purple, and I have this rainbow. So those are the only two. Okay. And I think this still goes. Okay, so I have, can you see it? And then I just have a bunch of scraps. So let me show you some of the bigger pieces I got. I got. Okay, so I have this yellow. I love yellow. I have this green. This is a Vicki Boutin. I have smaller pieces. I have some green. I have some like leftover. I have a kit that I had done for Close to My Heart. I just pulled everything that I had out. Here's some black elements. Here is this purple, which I really like that. It looks kind of blue, but it really is purple. This is gonna go. It may not be exact, but it is gonna go. I've got it to go with this purple and maybe put it with that purple. Here is an orange. Here's an orange. Some more yellow. I really like that. And some blue and another shade of blue. So I have 3 shades of blue. I'm going to make this work. Somehow, I don't know how, but I'm going to make it work. So I also pulled, this is the sheet that I have left over from the Close to My Heart. I would like to get this used up. And you know, I just don't have much left of this kit, so I just need to get it used up. Then I was looking for some other embellishments, and I decided to go through my Pink Fresh, and I think a lot of these, like this orange and the yellow, I think those will work. And then here is some Alpha from Simple and Sweet. I have this. This is from Indigo Hills 2. I think I'm drawn to the yellow and the orange. So that's what that's about. Maybe a little bit more here. This is from the Live More. Do you remember when I got the warehouse box from Pink Fresh? All of this stuff was in it. All this Pink Fresh stuff was in there, and I'm just trying to get it used up. So I just need to get it used. It doesn't have to be used up. I just like to use it because I haven't even touched it. So this one, it just says Puffy Stickers. I think that this one is perfect. But I don't even know I don't think it's a collection. It just says, see, it's got this purple, and then this same thing, this ephemera pack. So look how cute those birds are. Can you see? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Anyway, I think that this is enough. I have things with dimension. No, I have more, and there's more. So I pulled out some of the wood veneer. These are from Paige Evans. So there are these colors. I have this random one. It's a flower. I can't tell. And then here is some hearts. And I know that these are little butterflies that were part of this Close to My Heart. You know what? I think I'm just going to throw away this. If I don't use this up, it's going in the trash. And then I have these little pieces. These, you know, I should just go ahead and toss those. I'm not going to use them. But look, I have some brads. Look how pretty those are. Those definitely go. They definitely go. I have some blue and pink and a light blue. Yep, I am set. There's like 2 shades of pink, 2 blues. I am good to go. I have no idea what photos I'm going to scrap, but I'll be working on that next. Originally, when I pulled this together, I did it as a page kit, but you know what? I decided just to make it open and I can just use it all. I don't know. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Okay, so there it is. There's my kit. I look forward to seeing what your kit looks like. Of course, I reserve the right to add more. I probably need to add a washi tape or 2 because I have been using washi tape. And, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. So sorry. Anyway, I should probably cut that out. Anyway, I need some washi tape, so I probably will I probably pull some washi tape. All right, guys, I am so sorry. It's taking so long. You guys have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing your kits. And we do have a couple guests this month. Make sure you check out their pages, their channels. I'm also leaving links to the girls that are part of the Mini Kit Monday group. I'll leave links to all their channels. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.